They envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking?
What's up, Cloud Mob? I'm back with another video. This is something a little different. As we know, my channel is a mixed channel, which means I do a whole bunch of different things on my channel. And today my channel is about a subscription box. Right now I'm going to be covering my BoxyCharm subscription. Please excuse my nails, they need to get soaked off and I need a new set, so I'm missing a couple of them, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, so this is what we're going to be talking about. And the BoxyCharm, the Boxyluxe subscription, which if you don't already know about this subscription, if y'all have a girlfriend, I know a lot of guys watch my channel. If you have a girlfriend, this is a really cool thing to get your girlfriend, because especially if she's into beauty and makeup, because it's like she'll get a box every month, or if you get the one that I'm showing you today, she'll still get a box every month, but there's only certain months where they upgrade more onto the price. So I want to say it's $21 monthly. So every month you're paying $21 and you get a box of 4 to 5 full-size products, which really help out because there's a lot of things I haven't had to buy because they keep coming in my boxes. So it does really help to keep the beauty expenses or makeup costs down. And this one is billed. I know I haven't gotten one of these for a few months, so it's like every few months they'll add the $28.99 and it'll be like $50 to get this subscription that I'm showing you right now. So let's go through and find out. I personally feel like the last one I got was worth it. Which month was that? I can't remember. Was it somewhere around December? I don't know. But when I did get it, it was worth it, and I felt like everything I got was worth it. So let's look into this box and see exactly what we have here and see if you guys think it's worth it or not. Okay, so I have the price list here. The theme for this month was BoxyCharm Getaway. Okay. I got 2 of them. Okay. Alright, so let's start with our first product here. I'm just going to be grabbing stuff. And I'm going to say how much every product costs in the box and how I feel about it. And every month, like I said, you get full products. So somebody might be like, oh, that's a lot of money a month. But if you need these things anyways, or if you do, or if you're into beauty like I am, then it makes sense. So the Tarte, okay, so the first thing on my list is the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette. Which one is this? V3. And this is valued at $45. So here we are with our first product. We're already getting the value of the box in one product. Okay, so this is what you have here: some blushes, some highlighters, and some bronzing looking. There you go. I'm not gonna swatch this, and it snaps back. It has a magnet snap on it. Yeah, I'm not swatching this, y'all. But here you go. Because I'm most likely not going to keep it. I might, you know, I don't know, I might put it in my makeup kit, or I might just, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Put that there for now. That was our first product. We're moving on to our Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So this is a primer. How to use. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. Okay, so something like a primer. Well, it is a primer. No Problem, however you pronounce that. I actually got something from them in another box, which was cool. Some primer. I used it. I swear, I mean, I have my favorite primer I use, but I was using that for a little while, and then, you know, I mean, their products seem alright from this point. It looks like it might be a Korean brand. There's some Korean, or I want to say Korean writing on the back of this. $23 for this. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I didn't even open this yet. Okay, so this is cute. See? Okay, let's smell it and see what it smells like. Oh, it's like a dapper, like a, see? Isn't that interesting? It smells really good. Okay, that's nice. As I said, that was valued at $23. Let's move on to our next product here. I did mess with this. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I did already spray some of this on my face. I really like the way it smells. This is, I'm moving out of order now here. This is the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Valued at $35. So this is $35. Just because I'm about to spray it on my face, just because I like how it smells. So I can explain the smell to y'all. It just has such a minty, it just smells like mint, y'all. I love mint. I'm just into mint. It just like wakes you up. It's like a just a little boost of energy. Okay, so next product. I love Dr. Brent. Dr. Brent is actually the brand of primer that I use. I use the Illuminizing Primer. I love it so much. I have that on right now. Dr. Brent is definitely a good brand, and I love the products. I love how they smell, and they just work for me, and I'm just a fan of Dr. Brent's products. So I'm really happy to get this inside the box. This is the Dr. Brent Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. I believe I pronounced that correctly. And I love the fact that I just got another cleanser. I'm a skincare product person, so I just got a cleanser in my last box for the month of, what was last month, y'all? June. Yes, June. I got a cleanser in the Glam Glow, or was that in June or the month before? I don't know. A lot of times I don't use these products until I run out of other products. I'm not one of those people that gets my box and just has to try everything right away. A lot of times my box will sit there and I'll just use the stuff when I need it, or I'll put it in my kit or whatever. But this is the, like I said, the Clean Biotic pH Balance Cleanser. And you get 3.5 ounces here. Let me smell it. That'll seal in the inside too. Can you open it up? It smells really clean. I don't really know what else to say. It just smells like it'll get the job done. This is valued at $35. So there we go. We paid for the box a long time ago. So, you know, we already paid for the box. This also gives people that are new to the beauty community a chance to try out new products they've never tried. And it also gives me a chance to try out new products I've never tried. And I've been doing this for a little while now. Okay, so the next product we have here is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. I like Pharmacy's products too. There we go. Let's open it up. Let's just smell it. I always like to smell everything. I always like to smell everything. It's a squirt bottle, so it smells like their other products. It smells good. I'm just gonna rub it on my hand. It kind of got a strange, it got a little strange of an aftertaste. I say aftertaste, I'm eating products now. It has a little strange of an after smell, but you know, it probably just has stuff to get stuff done inside of it. So yeah, that was valued at, what did we say that was valued at? That was valued at $58. That was more than the box itself. So this was valued at $58. This is a good deal. Next product I have here is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, and it is supposed to be an instant lasting volume and texture rising spray or mousse or whatever. Let's find out what it is. I'm just gonna, that was a nice burst of product. It smells really good. I like some of their other products that I've had, got as samples or tried out, and I'm looking forward to using this. It smells really good. I'm looking forward to using this. Actually, I haven't used it yet. And this product is valued at $29. And it has 7.5 ounces. So that's a nice deal you're getting there. I got three more things to show you all before we get on out of here. I was looking at this and I'm like, what is this? Yeah, I'm still really trying to figure it out, and I really don't want to open it up, and I'm probably not going to. This right here, I mean, I've read it, but I'm just not, I don't want to open it. It's supposed to be, let's look on here. What is this called? What is the brand? I don't even know how to pronounce this brand. Chesapeake, maybe. It is $25 and it is ultimate curling, lightening, volumizing, good vibes mascara. Okay, so all this is this is a mascara. This is a real fancy, got a whole bunch of stuff going on mascara. I will have to get into this when I'm off the video because I don't want to open it up and deal with it all at this time. But it's worth $29. So there you have it, $29 for that. Like I said, we paid for the box a long time ago. And moving on to our next, this is not our final product. Moving on to our next product, we have the Dominique Cosmetics Peach Tea. I love tea and I love peach tea, so I'm already just like hoping I just love this. And this is a some type of lip. Let's see exactly what kind of lip it is. It's a lip gloss. Okay, so it's a lemonade lip gloss, peach tea lemonade. Okay, worth $17. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. Okay. Alright, I've never tried this brand before. So let's open it up and see exactly what it looks like. Oh, this is pretty. Lemonade, peach tea flavor. Okay, let's open it up and smell it because I gotta open up and smell just anything just to see what it smells like. It smells so good. Y'all, it smells so good. This is the applicator. It smells like one of those birthday cake candles. It smells super good and I really like the way it smells and I will be using it. I'm gonna have to try it on and see what it looks like. But I probably might use this for myself and my kids. So what I'm gonna do is not use it directly out of the container. I'm not gonna swatch it on my hand for sanitary concerns, you know. Okay, so one last thing in the box. This was okay, so I was very actually excited about this because my hair needs volume because it's so just boring. And I have a blow dryer, but I'm not a big fan of the one I have already. And I think I broke one of the settings on it when I dropped it. So y'all, this is what is next in the box. And this is why I break stuff. Okay, so it comes with a head to put on top for the box as well. It comes in this cute little bag for one. Okay, so it comes in this little cute bag. PYT. It has directions and stuff. And it comes with a head to place detachable piece of some kind. Comes with it. And we put that on there. Let's see. Okay, and it probably just expands the blow. So I got it in the color pink. I'm not really a pink girl, but I was excited about this either way. But it has some pretty cool colors. I want to say they even have blue and like lavender. And I'm not really a girly girl, so I'm not into pink. So I was just like, okay, cool, I got pink. But, you know, I would have probably preferred to get another color. But, you know, I'm not complaining. It's cute. You know, it is what it is. I got it and I like it. And it was worth... How much was this worth? This is worth $85. Box been paid for, y'all. So, yeah, this is what the Boxyluxe subscription is. I personally like it. I've been subscribed to BoxyCharm for a while now. This is my second Luxe BoxyCharm box. In the comments, let me know what y'all think. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, I'm gonna put my code in the description below. And hopefully I can find it because I haven't used it this far. But I'm always telling people about this subscription box. So it's like my favorite one. I've had others, but I've canceled a lot of them. But, you know, just let me know what you think in the comments. Did you guys think it was worth it or do you not think it was worth it? But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Peace, love, and positive vibes your way.